Welcome back. She came, she saw, and she conquered. यही है कहानी हमारे आज के guest की. Well, she is a star, but I want to know whether she is high maintenance. Let's find out. Welcome to the show, Kangna.
Thank you, Supreet.
It is always a pleasure to have you back.
Thank you.
You're very different in your film choices. How about brand endorsements? हम आपको इतने brands में क्यों नहीं देखते endorse करते हुए?
See, initially it was very difficult for me. I used to get very limited options in terms of brands. जैसे कि मेरी फिल्में आपने देखी गैंगस्टर, वुल हमें and fashion was always something which is like, you know, I will get some alcohol brand or I will get something which is related to my characters, you know. So but now recently I have signed a couple of brands.
So brand image is one thing you spoke about. How about the fact that you are in some levels brand conscious, right? Is it a part of your personality to pick those up, or is it a part of your profession to pick those up?
Both. It has to be both. But then being in a business like this where you are criticized for everything you say and wear, and you know, you would want to be in news less and you would want to be just well dressed, and sometimes it's profession and sometimes it's your own need.
But क्या आप मानते हो कि एक स्टार के लिए ये हाई मेंटेनेंस लाइफस्टाइल जरूरी हो जाता है?
बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है. बिकॉज आई थिंक ये मीडिया ही है जो हम लोगों को बहुत एनालाइज और स्क्रूटिनाइज करती रहती हैं. क्या पहना, कौन सी गाड़ी में जाते हैं, क्या खाते हैं, और तो आई थिंक जिस तरह का ये बिज़नेस है, अगर आप अच्छे से अपने ऊपर स्पेंड नहीं करेंगे एंड आप अच्छे से दिखेंगे नहीं और आप हमेशा क्रिटिसाइज होते हैं कि सेम कपड़े पहनने के लिए बार बार, सो यू हैव टू चेंज ऑल्सो. तो आई हैव लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम एक्टर्स. तो ये हो जाता है.
It is the business of Bollywood indeed, isn't it? But कहीं पे ये डर नहीं लगता कि ये आदत बन जाएगी because आप ये लाइफस्टाइल रोज जी रहे हो?
Well, I think हैबिट बन जाती है. और जैसे कि फॉर somebody like me जो कि 17 साल से, you know, I came here when I was 17, so I was all literally a kid, you know. तो मैं यहाँ पे बड़ी हुई हूँ. I can today I'm 24. मैं यहाँ पे बड़ी हो रही हूँ. तो when I will be 30, I would actually have literally lived my life here. तो मुझे जो आदत है, जिस तरह का मुझे लाइफस्टाइल अच्छा लगता है, जिस तरह की मुझे काम करने की आदत है, I think this is going to be my habit, and there's nothing wrong in that because I want it to be my habit, and I would want to be in the show business all my life, because if it has taken me 10 years to establish myself in this business, I would want to last for 20 years. Why should I have a period of 2 years? Then it's not even worth it, you know. It's just, why have I struggled for 10 years to be here for 2 years? No, I would want much more than that.
But कितना contrasting है from that life in Himachal?
That's a different life altogether. It's like you sit in a time machine and you go to a different age and time and you land yourself. So when I go there, that's what I think. And when my friends, they travel with me, so I tell them, you know, so let's go into the time machine now.
But does your high maintenance life follow you to Himachal also?
No. It's you are आप हिमालय की गोद में हो. Nothing really matters, and it's all mountains, and you feel so divine, so close to God. BlackBerry doesn't matter. What people sending you messages doesn't matter. All, you know, your childhood memories, and they Pahadi people, they get up at 5 and go to sleep at 5 in the evening. So there's no nightlife, and it's a different life, and it's so much fun.
And how about your family and friends? वो कैसे आपको differently perceive करते हैं क्या?
Well, people in mountains are very simple. For them, I'm just that little girl who used to play in streets and roam around in the fields. We don't have theatres there for your information.
Oh,
yeah, we don't have theatres in Himachal, and their movies, when they watch it, it has to come on TV. That's when they watch it. And I tell them that I have done this film, so next year you'll get to see this. so they're like, oh yeah, we'll wait for it. So now they must be watching Gangster and all these films right now. So basically
now is when you go back and they'll be all glam struck. थोड़ा सा delay चल रहा है.
No, not really. They have seen my movies, and but they're not so updated with the world of glamour.
And also the way we know you, this whole high maintenance thing suits you, like I said. So we know Kangna as that. But अगर आप actress नहीं होती,
haven't you made me sound like somebody who is very
diva-ish?
Very diva-ish and very.
Why not? It's cool to be a diva. I mean, really,
I'm
aspiration.
not sure if I'm that high maintenance.
Aspiration, you know. If I see certain curls, I want them. If I see a bag on you, I want them. But it's just that it's out of my reach, just like for a common
No,
man,
but
just like you are.
all the girls who are listening to these interviews and who are finding it very cool to be high maintenance, I must tell you all that everything I wear and everything I carry and everything I show off is out of my hard-earned money. I don't put pressure on my parents, or I don't look for a boyfriend to provide me the diamonds I want and the things I want in life. So please just keep that in mind, you know.
But that's a good message out there. कुछ आसानी से नहीं मिलता है यहाँ पे. पर अगर आप एक्ट्रेस नहीं होती तो ये लाइफ शायद इनवाइट नहीं करती.
Well, my priority was not the life I am having today. My priority was to find, to release the creative forces within me. I could have been a painter, I could have been a musician, I could have been a dancer, but I didn't know I'm going to have this life. It's a comfortable life, but at the same time, it's not what it looks like, you know. It is extremely stressful and very demanding for somebody my age, you know, and where my age girls are still doing their masters and they take pocket money from their parents. That side looks brighter to me than, you know, to carry high-end brands and to be on a website overnight that, you know, she carried this, she carried that, and we hate her for being so wrong with her fashion sense, you know. It's just a show business, but definitely grass is greener on the other side. Yeah.
And last time आप आई थी तो हमने बात की थी how you wish to start a clothes line.
Yeah.
So what's happening now? When do we see the businesswoman in you?
Now I want to be a director. You see, I'm getting mature and
Next time I talk to you, it may just change.
Yeah, maybe.
Thanks for talking to us.
Thank you.